Hello and welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are well and safe. So guys, today in this video I will give you very important information. In this situation, there is some recent job openings from New Zealand. So for this time, the visa process will be on hold. You need to only apply. If you will be selected by your CV, you can attend an interview. If you will be selected by the interview, you you will be put on hold and you can process for the visa by the end of the year. So guys, the very important thing, you need to collect these informations and you should know what is the recent job openings from New Zealand and what is the applying process. Everything details I will inform you in this video, so keep watching this video till the end. So let's move. This is the recent job openings from New Zealand. The first job is medical staffs required in New Zealand. As you can see here, now in these situations, in every country, the hospitalization staffs like nurses, doctors, hospital staffs, everything is very important because now in every country the coronavirus is affected. So in this situation, the hospital requirements is increasing day by day. So if you are belongs to hospital professionals and if you have to move abroad, this is a golden chance. Don't miss this chance. Now New Zealand openings and New Zealand welcome to hospital staffs, medical staffs, and if you have a dream, this is a chance. Apply and move to New Zealand with a high salary and a comfortable lifestyle. So I would like to suggest you, if you belongs to nursing and medical staffs and laboratory staffs, apply as soon as possible and move New Zealand. Of course, you need to wait 3 to 4 months. After it, if your interview will be success, you can move New Zealand. But for the time, they want to select, they want to shortlist for some candidates, which is very urgent. And as soon as possible, the embassy and the visa process will open. They will take you by providing the flight, ticket, and visa, everything. So this is a golden chance. I'm telling you again and again for medical staffs. This is a medical staffs required in New Zealand for only specially medical staffs. So as you can see here, nurse manager, ship leader, city west care facility in Dublin. Also, this recruiter having multi-country, so you can move to New Zealand, you can move to Dublin. They will offer you. It's not a matter, but you need to select. First of all, you need to apply, then you can select, then you can move. So guys, as you can see here, I'm telling you, nurse specialist, nurse manager, different jobs related to all about hospitals, medical staffs. So if you are belongs to medical staffs, collect this information from the descriptions below this video and read it carefully. As you can see here, clinical midwife, nurse manager, director of midwifery. Then also you can see here different job openings, and every job openings have a special official email ID and official link. As you can see here, you can directly open this link and you can apply as soon as possible. So as you can see here, mental health in department nurse, staff nurse in intellectual disability, then staff nurse general older person services. Then also you can see here different job openings which is related to medicals and having a official link and also email ID through which you can reach to the employer or the hospital authorities through which you can apply for these jobs. As you can see here, this is all about the medical staff's requirements. You can read it. Staff nurse general older person services. Then let's move nurse eligibility, and we can move to top. It's a staff nurse in mental health, then director of midwifery, then coming clinical midwifery manager, then director of nursing, then clinical nurse manager, then clinical midwifery manager, then also clinical nurse specialist. This is all about, as you can see here, date also mentions here, 17th July is the last date to apply. So I'm telling you again and again, listen very carefully. This is a golden chance. Don't miss it. If you are a medical staffs, if you have proper experience, and if you have dream to move abroad, this is a golden chance. So apply as soon as possible. Different job openings in different departments, gynecologist and senior services, and every departments, ultrasound scanning, and also stroke rehabilitations, different departments. So again, I would like to tell you one thing. If you have any problem to understand my language, you can move to descriptions below this video. All information in front of you also available in the descriptions below this video. You can collect these informations, and for which job you are eligible, you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. Otherwise, you can directly apply by this link. So guys, I'm telling you very clearly, this is a recent job openings from New Zealand for only medical staffs. So don't be late. I would like to suggest you apply as soon as possible and move New Zealand and fulfill your dream to get a lifestyle in abroad. So I hope this information will be helpful for your careers, and please share this information if your relatives, any friends, anybody wants to move abroad with a medical staffs professionals. This is very important information. I'm telling you very clearly. Collect this information from the descriptions and read it and apply as quick as possible. I hope you understand what I'm saying. This is very important information. That's why I am sharing with you in these situations. I'm telling you again, this information is very important. Please collect this information and apply and wait for the hospital authorities reply. When you get reply, you can attend the interview by client, either face to face or by Skype or by any of apps or any work programs. Then if you get selected from the interview, they will put you on hold and they will make you for visa and you can move New Zealand with a job. So I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. Of course, utilize this information if you are a medical staffs. So again,